si Micah? Okay. Good morning. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ano ngayon? Sabado. And ready na kami, no? Ang aga. Kasi magtatrabaho ako. Maaga kami gumiting tatlo. Ana, hello! Tapos naka-uniform na ako kasi Saturday ngayon. So, trabaho ako na 4 hours sa restaurant. Pero, may dala ako itong ano, yung, alam niyo yung, remember niyo yung, nag-ano ako sa, nag-therapy ako. So, ito siya. So, I need to wear this on my other wrist here kasi yung aking cyst pabalik na naman and masakit na naman siya. This is my alarm. And 6:30 na. I need to leave already. So, yan. Yan talaga pag ganitong trabaho. So, yan. Ready na tayo magtrabaho. So, mag-gloves ako para hindi siya mabasa. Kasi pag, bali mababasa yung kamay. So, yeah, we need tissue na doon. Say good morning, Papa.
I'm working. Goedemorgen.
Not just turning off the lights. So, nag-trip na naman itong bata. Naka-toothbrush rin. Dito, love. What are you making? You tell Papa. What ba niya? Ano mga ka, Ana? Dito, love. Ni. Ana, ni doon. Dito. Maknit. Ay, si Ana eh. Pinatay yung ilaw. Uy, kahayag. So, yan. Last night, after kong nag-end yung vlog, oh my God, what's wrong with my Tagalog? Last night, after I ended the vlog, so, I cleaned up here. Yes? But then, ngayon, ano na naman? Messy na naman. Talaga. What? Oh, you have Botterham. You just finish it and then you will eat pop later with Papa after swimming. Okay? Ayan, gusto na naman ng lugaw. Gusto niya ng pop. So anyways, alis na kami and I'm not gonna bring my vlogging camera because it's bulky. Huh? Actually, you don't like your Botterham? Yeah? With peanut butter? Is niet lekker? Niet lekker? Susuwi ko. Uy, kagwapas ako. Anak, papayak. She wakes up really, really early these days, Dodong, no? But today's the earliest, Buang, because normally she wakes up at almost 7 o'clock. Oh, do you? So somebody's sleeping at Oma and Oma's place again tonight. Yeah, we're gonna leave Mama again, no? Say bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. Tuy! She's holding the camera. Tuy!
I'm kijken.
Oh, ano kay ka? Umukan?
I'm lost tower.
Straks, yeah? So, yan guys, kukunin na niya yung camera. I'll try to vlog later but I'm not sure sa work. May phone naman akong dala. So, yan. hello ulit. Ano na, over 10 o'clock na. And marami na akong nagawa. And I'll be off at 11 o'clock. So anyways, pinadalhan tayo ni Mr. ng sandwich. Binalutan niya ako kanina while nag-ready ako. So, while kumakain ako at the same time, tupiin ko itong mga dukyas, yung mga trapo ba, para sa kitchen. So, yun na. After that, magpunas-punas ako ng konti doon sa kitchen pa. And then, i-check ko doon sa restaurant kung kailangan ba siyang i-vacuum. And then, after that, pwede na akong umalis. Hinihintay ko din yung mga staff na dumating kasi hindi ko siya maiwan na, na naka-on na yung kitchen kasi tsaka naka-on yung dryer. So, you never know, baka may sunog or what, simbakong. So, yeah. Kita-kita later. Pipick upin ako ni Rod tsaka ni Ana. Change na yung dito, yung menu namin sa cafeteria kasi color ng carnival yun. Yan, binigay sa akin ng kasama ko sa trabaho. Kailangan ko daw itong isuot kahit hindi ako nagtatrabaho sa labas. Basically, ito yung kulay ng flag ng carnival dito sa amin. Ito siya. So yan, suot-suot ko na siya. Hinihintay ko na lang si Ruth tsaka si Ana, pipick upin nila ako. Ayan. Ana is here.
Hello.
Hello. So, yan na. Busy. It's really busy. Because carnival nga. It's very busy. See the flags? Oh, yan yung mga flags.
You should get one too.
Yeah. I see some people wearing costumes already.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Oh no, see? May mga... Because it's carnival, so you can wear your costume. Kalik! No.
Opa's gonna wear his costume too.
I heard Peter was a clown yesterday.
Oh. Can you get
Ana Canilo pa, yeah. Ana, say hello. Ana Canilo pa. She's very tired. Galing kasi silang swimming. It's very windy.
Yeah.
Ana kanisla pa, Ana kanistan, Ana kanilo pa, Ana kanit alles doen. Huh? Is that correct? Kanit alles doen or kanit? How can alles doen? What?
It depends what you want to say.
Ana can't do anything.
Anna kan niks doen.
Kan niks? Ah, okay. Ana, go. So, maglalagay si Ana ng coin sa kanyang
What's he?
coin bank. Ayan. Piggy bank.
Now.
Here. Come. Ayan, it's already full. It's almost full. May pa tong batang to eh. May pera pa to.
I told Councillor Roman that he goes to in September.
Yeah? And? What did he say?
Yeah, he said it's wrong. I see Suda,
He say, nee. Sundodong, watch out with your hand, love. Okay. Was it look?
Yeah.
Yeah? Gusto na niyang Yeah, here. Gusto na niyang magbasa. It's donker ba to? It's very gloomy outside. That's not a nice weather for the carnival, Maishi. So, kahapon, pagkatapos namin magtrabaho ng lola ni Ana, nag-drop by kami sa isang shop kasi nga, hinihintay ko si Ruth. So, may mga more than 15 to 20 minutes ako. So, sabi ko, so yeah, as I said, pumunta kami dun sa shop tapos, namili yung mama ni Ruth. Tapos, yung binili niya, puro kay Ana. Kasi naka-sale po siya. So, yan, may bagong pants si Ana. May din siya, skirt. Cute. I really like this one. Medyo thick lang ito. So, pwede siyang pang spring. Medyo thick kasi siya. So, kailangan ng cardigan ni Ana or jacket ba. Gusto ko tong dress na ito, guys. Ayan, super cute na dress. Bumili din ako ng ito. Ng t-shirt ni Ruth. Bet na Ruth ni yung mga ganitong print, guys. So, sabi ko, maganda yung kulay. And then, dalawa na lang silang natira ba? So, Marami talagang bumili siguro. Kasi yung ibang stock doon, maraming kulay pa ang available. So yun, hindi pa naman, andun pa naman. So I thought, ayun, kumuha nito. Kasi si Ruth kasi walang pakialam sa damit. Kung kahit ano lang guys, wala talaga siyang pakialam sa damit. Hindi siya mahilig masyado sa damit. Yung mga damit niya sa taas, sabi ko, itapon mo na to eh. Ang luma-luma na nito. Tapos parang ano na ba yung cloth ba? Iba na yung fabric niya ba? Ana? Bahay. Kahit ang halaman on ay sari at talong at mani, bataw, kondol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pang sibuyas, kamatis, sa paligid-ligid. Since baby pa si Ana, yung lullaby ko sa kanya, yung hinaham ko sa kanya pampatulog is Bahay Kubo. So she's very familiar with the tune. But recently lang, siguro mga 3-4 weeks na, kinakanta ko na siya kasi pinapakanta niya sa akin. So, inaano pala niya, napipick up na niya ba? So, kahit hindi siya talaga sakto yung sinasabi niya, nakukuha na niya. Cute. So, anyway guys, hintayin lang namin si Ruth na dumating no kasi pumunta siya sa center. Wala kasi kaming bread. So, yun yung aming ila-lunch. And then, when Anna goes to sleep soon, I'm gonna make a shopping list and then our weekly meal plan kasi yun yung guide ko for making a grocery list kasi nga gusto kong matrack yung expenses namin all the time sa yung sa grocery kasi ako po yung nakatoka sa grocery namin. Ako yung budget namin sa grocery, ako yung I take care of the budget, and I take care of the grocery mainly. So, I'm happy na kahit papano natutulungan ko na si Mr. So, as you saw earlier sa videos ko, pinakita ko yung how it's like at my workplace, yung sa part-time job ko. And hindi lang ito yung part-time job ko, may isang part-time job din ako doon sa school. Same din na trabaho, and then may ibang part-time job po ako. So, let me know if gusto nyo makita yung trabaho ko doon sa ibang part-time. Same trabaho naman. Yes, love! Okay, puntahan ko muna si Ana, guys. So, time check, na ngayon? 3:35 na ng hapon, and umalis si Ruth, pumunta saglit sa office nila. And nagpabili ako sa kanya ng isda. Siya. Yung kibling. Sobrang sarap. This is the only kind of fish that Ruth can eat. He's not into seafood. Ito lang yung kaya niyang kainin. Kasi may siya ba, deep fried siya ba. So kain tayo. Parang sisipunin ulit ako. My God, I had corona last week, and then now I'm getting a cold, I think.
Are you getting old?
You're getting old, yeah, like you too?
I hope I get old.
What? You think your baby face? You always make it sound like I'm 5 years older than you. I'm only 7 months older than you.
I say biological age.
What?
I say biological age.
Sommige.
Eet graag de drank.
Is makkelijk, dank je de dong.
Even.
Yeah, I can feel it already. That is Ruth, guys. Oh. He's wearing the same t-shirt as last night.
Ja. Sweater.
Oh, that's done. This will be uploaded on Wednesday.
I was busy in the center with the carnival.
Yeah.
It was like a parade, they all went from the Hopbel to another place, so they all went to the center, so it was really busy.
Okay. But they didn't block the road or something? Like on the way to Opa and Oma? Yeah?
Most people go just to the center. Yeah.
That's one. The kibling that I had with Oma in in Mirlo, it was really good. Better than this one. It was really good, wow. Not very salty like this. This is very salty. It's dipped.
It was outdoor or indoor place?
Outdoor. Like the one in the centrum, like a truck. So kain na muna kami guys, and later on mag grocery. We're just gonna wait for Anna to wake up, and then we take Anna to Oma and Opa, and then we'll go to Lidl to get groceries. And then yun na yung araw namin. Ruth is going away tomorrow. So anyways, i-end ko na yung ating pa-video, no? Yun na yung ating pa-vlog for today. Chano.
Mush mush bush!
Mush mush mabush! Amping! Amping is like, take care. Amping!